double MG, the mother niggas fell off. Baby girl, I just wanna see you well off.
Everybody lit, can't put our fire out. Hey.
First thing I'ma do when I pop out is tell my nigga, yo, make sure you got the Glock out.
What's poppin', gang? Welcome back to It's Just Tay Vlogs.
Let's get it.
What's poppin', JT gang? Don't pay attention to my head. My hair's been growing so much. I haven't even did enough for it today. Happy 4th of July, y'all. I said, why not vlog this weekend? Because I have a lot going on this weekend, y'all. Baby. Yeah, we is in a heat advisory right now. It's probably 110 already at 9 o'clock this morning. Gonna check in with y'all.
I know you love fucking me. Oh, I can tell by the way you in love with me. You can't get enough of me.
Yeah, we made it out here to the 4th of July festivities with the children and babe. Last no time. So far from being natural.
Fireworks.
What you doing?
Come on, y'all play this way with me. Come on, ladies.
Next day, we are at my family reunion, y'all.
The camera look kind of clean.
It is clean. Y'all see that sunset? It's a deer back there, too. That's how you know we in the country. Ain't got no service, so you ain't got no choice but to vlog. Yeah, mama. What's poppin', gang? I know that last, hold on. I know that last footage was kind of garbage, y'all, but we just got back from our family reunion. We currently have a family reunion going on right now. So, I'm so tired. But we just left my family reunion. I think this haircut is so cute. I mean, like, it's giving, I did it myself, like, you know. But, we just left. We finna get some food from Cookout. I don't know if y'all can see if it's food from Cookout. Yeah, I'm finna go home. Go home. We're supposed to have a picnic at 10 o'clock in the morning. I don't know about all that. But we do have our dinner later at 6, so I might just pop out for that. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know what it is, what it ain't. Then we're finna go home. Excuse me. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay. You gonna see what's up there to eat, or you good? Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, that is so funny.
Watch how Chris hold it back there.
The Precious decided to be the damn third, fourth, what? She want to get wet. But Didi all in the way.
like the one I got. Say it 3 times. Y'all know it came from the song, Ain't No Woman Like the One I Got. So they said it one more time, ain't no family like the one I got. And I'm like, come on, let's do it together. Like,
baby. Bianca.
I like it, baby. Girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what.
our Brooks side, we had Hillary and Dorcas Brooks, who all of these people come from here in this room. But I did find Dorcas's mother and father, who lived in North Carolina. And when she died, it was on her death certificate. They gave her name, her mother and father's name, and where they came from. So when you find stuff like that, it's just...
Yeah, we came to Brick House for Sunday dinner. It is.